Please remain calm and pay close attention to this message. Do not enter any school in your area. Do not enter any building which was once a school, or any building where formal teaching has taken place. There is an anomalous hazard in your area. Schools and former schools have been affected. They have greatly expanded their internal dimensions. It may be difficult to exit after entering. It will be very easy to become lost in such a building. If you sleep within an affected school, you will not wake. Do not make any attempt to recover someone from a school. They will be recovered by trained specialists. Thank you for your attention and cooperation. Secure. Contain. Protect.